Hi, welcome to the Pergolux showroom. I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be walking you through our new Pergola models. All of our pergolas have louvered roofs and are 100% powder-coated aluminum. This means they're very low maintenance and are rust-free. Let's go. This is our most popular model, the Pergolux Sundream. The Sundream has motorized louvers that are double-walled and watertight. There's an integrated water drainage system where the beams and the gutters are seamlessly connected. The louvers have an integrated slope from the back beam towards the front. The water then drains down the columns and comes out at 2 drainage holes. All the columns have the water drainage channel. When the louvers are closed, the Sundream can withstand winds of up to 150 miles per hour and weights of up to 50 pounds per square foot. This model comes with the LED perimeter lighting. You can operate the lights and the louvers via remote control, your smartphone via Bluetooth, or via an existing smart home system. Hey Siri, open the louvers. Hey Siri, close the louvers. This model comes in a freestanding or a wall-mounted version and is compatible with all of our accessories, such as screens, glass walls, our wood slat walls, and our infrared heaters. This model has the RGB dimmable LEDs installed, which offers 8 different color options, including a bright white. All of the electric components are connected to the control box, which is located at the top of the beam in the back right-hand corner. It has a single standard 110-volt power cord and plug that comes out at the bottom of the column and will plug into a standard outlet. There's also an option to hardwire it. This is our frameless sliding glass wall, which opens and closes easily using a track system. The tempered single-pane glass panels are 3 feet wide and 10 millimeters thick, with a brush seal between each glass panel for effective wind protection. The glass can open from the left or the right, and it's designed to open all the way to one side. The Sundream is available in anthracite, white, black, and anthracite with white louvers. It comes in a variety of sizes, including 10 by 10, 10 by 13, 10 by 16, 10 by 19, 13 by 13, 13 by 16, and 13 by 19. This here is a 10 by 13, which as you can see is a great space for relaxing and entertaining. We hope you've enjoyed your Pergolux tour. Thanks for stopping by.
See if that works.
Yeah.